Continuing with our design on Android phone. So the application that we are going to look at today is a pretty good application. It's also easy to use. It has additional features better than that of those of Canva. The application is picsart. It differs from Canva in that it is flexible. You can design your own designs from A to Z, and you can also get templates available online and edit them. So this is how it differs with Canva. Canva, all the designs you are going to make are based on templates, but for PixArt you can use templates and you can use your own. So this is how we get started. Like I said in the previous videos, PixArt is online and offline application. You can use it offline and you can use it online. Offline, you can some of the features and the templates won't be available for you to use or edit. While online, you will see a lot of features, and you can also upgrade and you can subscribe for monthly or annually so that you get better features for your designs. So if you download the application for the first time, you will be required to sign up or create account. So if you create account, then the next time you open the application, you won't be asked to do that. And the good thing about it is it is like Instagram that you can connect with people, you can chat with people, you can see several people's design, you can use this, you can get their templates and use. As you can see now, because I am online, look at how it is showing me some of the pictures I can edit. So this one's what I started earlier today. So we are going to start from scratch. Now we go to home. You tap the plus sign to start editing your pictures. So as you can see, this is how it looks like. You can see this place is for videos, this place is for photos, this place is for replays, colleges for people that you want to mix pictures. For example, in business, when you have products and you are selling them, so you want to utilize, for example, in one pic have several products on the same picture. So this is where you can do that with the colleges and the templates, like I mentioned earlier, just like what you have in Canva. So this is how the templates look like. You can tap all templates to see various forms of templates. These are designs made by people that you can choose and edit them. It is flexible, just like what we said in Canva. You can see several categories. Let's go, for example, for stay safe, and let's see what we have. So in this case, you can see these are a lot of templates that you can pick and edit. So you can just select anyone, and then you can start editing. For example, if you want to remove this distance, you can edit. You can change the color, you can make it black, or you can put stroke, depending on what you want to do. So this is just a demonstration of how it works in the templates. So going back, these are backgrounds also you can use in your designs. These are also cameras, depending on what you want to do. Instead of using your phone camera, you can use the application camera and edit drawings. So if you want to just arrange pictures also, free photos also. And for example, this is what we are going to use for as introduction. You can select any of this to be your default background. For example, let me pick white. So now that I've picked white, I can do whatever I want to do. I can, for example, I can write a text. Let me say, for example, my name is Ibrahim Tahir. So from here above center of your screen, you can see these lines that I tap. You can change your alignment, the alignment of the text. You can make it central, you can make it to the right, to the left, depending on what you want. Then you tap this uh, key on the right hand side of your screen. So the default color here is white and the background is also white. That is why you won't see the text. If you want to expand, you can just tap this place. Let me change the color first. Let me make it black so that it will give a good contrast. So if I want to enlarge, I can just tap here to enlarge. As you can see, these four arrows, four lines that are showing, these blue lines will help you make it in a perfect alignment so that it will be central. And this stroke here, this T, this is how it works. Like border, it's surround the text, and you can increase or decrease how you want it. For example, I can make it bolder by tapping this button, or reduce it depending on how I want it. And the opacity, you can increase or decrease the opacity depending on how you want it to show. Let me put this up. Blend also, you can choose on how you want to blend it, but I don't usually use this feature. Shadow, if you want to create shadow, increase or decrease, and the opacity of the shadow too, if you want it to be clear or you want it to. And blend, if you want to make it, see, this is how blend works depending on how you want it. This will help you a lot if you want to design logo with this application. So if after you finish making what you want to make, then you tap the right hand side of your screen. And effects, you have tools here. Before going to effects, you have crop, you can crop images. All these features you can tap them one by one and see how they function. Sticker, you have stickers also. The stickers, these are a lot of stickers you can use. You see, you just pick, increase or decrease the size. Opacity also, you can decrease, or after you finish, then you tap here. Just make sure it's safe. The one of the disadvantages of this application is that you can't, after saving, you can't move these things. It only moves the picture completely. But this Tuesday that I wrote on my name, if I tap the tick button, I cannot change it again. So for example, after putting text, these are the most common things that people use in using this application. For example, if I want to add photo from my gallery, I will just tap add photo. For example, this is me. Then if I select the picture, then I will tap add. You can select multiple pictures at the same time. You can see. So if you want to remove, you tick X here at the picture, this X, X to unselect the pictures. After that, then you tap add on the top right corner of your screen. It will appear. Depending on the opacity I want, I can reduce or decrease the opacity. I can make it, for example, this way. I can also crop the image, for example. I can flip, rotate, I can replace. After I finish what I want to do, I can just tap this tick button. So I am done adding photo. For example, the border, you can add border how you want it, the inner and the outer, and the radius if you want to shape it, for example. And you tap, that's all. You can also add frames. For example, let me choose this around. This is how it will look like. And after that, the last thing is color. For example, if you want to add text, hello, for example, hello, that's all. Then you can put it, you can move it anywhere you want. Then this button, if you want to save, then this arrow that is facing downward is what you tap to save your design. It will tell you save to gallery. Sometimes the application used to be stubborn. If you want to save after you finish, it will tell you no, you can't save, you must subscribe. So what I used to do is I just make screenshots, then go to my gallery and then crop the image to fit what I need. So that is all for today for Canva and Pixart.